Hello, my dear students. How are you? Oh yes, I am also good. In the last class, I will give some questions for you. Did you do that? Yes. I hope you will complete the work. Am I correct? Okay. Yes, my dears, look here. All of you got the same answer? Yes, I know that. You are the good students. Yes. Then the same time I gave the another question. Then what is that? Say. Yes. Which type of ankle is? Yes. Then the first ankle, the 45-degree ankle. Which type of ankle? Say dear. Yes, that's correct. That is acute ankle. Yes dear, that's correct answer. Then this acute ankle. Then say another one. This which type of ankle? Say. Yes, that is. This also. Say. Yes, this is also acute ankle because these are below 90 degree. Yes, okay. Then this also acute ankle. Let's start our new chapter. What's the name of new chapter? Yes, that is adding ankles. Yes, what is adding ankle? What is adding? Say. Yes. Adding means join. Now, today discussing joining ankles. Then what? Joining ankles. Then what is the meaning of join? Just we said that adding. Then join means add, that is connect. Then joining means connecting. So joining ankle means connecting angle. Joining ankle means connecting angle. Then what is connecting angle? Then one ankle connected to another one. One ankle connected to another one. Then joining ankle means one ankle connecting another one. Do you understand? Yes. As dears, please take your notebook and draw a 30-degree ankle. Do it. Yes dear, look here. Then what is the name of this ankle? Look here. Yes, that ankle name is ankle CAB. Or how to read in another way? Yes, that is ankle BAC. Got it? Then ankle CAB or ankle BAC. Then how to write that? Ankle CAB or ankle BAC. Am I correct? Yes. Then what is the measure of this ankle CAB? Then what is the measure ankle CAB? Say dear. Yes, that is 30 degree. Yes dear, that's correct. Then that ankle measure is 30 degree. Okay. Do you understand? Yes dear. How can draw an ankle on the top? Then how can draw? Please try. Yes dears, look here. Here is draw an ankle on the top. Then how many ankles at A now? Then dears, look here. How many ankles at A now? Say, look here. How many ankles at A now? Yes. Then please say the name of that ankles. Yes, that's correct. That's ankle angle DAC. Yes, correct. Angle DAC. Then dear, say the measure of angle CAB. Then what's the measure of angle CAB? Please look this picture. What's the measure of angle CAB? Yes, say. Yes, dear. Come, yes. Yes, that is 30 degree. That's correct, dear. Then another say the measure of angle DAC. Say, look this picture. Please say, dear. Yes, that is angle DAC equal to 45 degree. As well done, my dears. Okay, then draw a angle on the top. Then the two angles, angle CAB, that is equal to 30 degree. Then angle DAC, that is equal to 45 degree. Okay, do you understand? Then dear, can you see any other angle on this picture? Any other angle? Please look this picture. Can you see any other angle? This is the first one angle, angle CAB, and the another one is angle DAC. Then in any other angle can you see? Please try to say that angle name. Say dear, look here. Yes. Then which? Say. Yes, that is angle. Look here, say dear. This is the first smaller and this is the second angle. Which idea applied here? We use joining. Make correct? Here first angle CAB, then draw a angle on the top. Then angle CAB and angle DAC. Then which is the next? Yes, that angle is angle DAB. Yes, correct here. Angle DAB. Okay, well done, my dear. The third angle is angle DAB. In this picture, we got the three ankles. That are angle CAB and angle DAC, and the last angle is angle DAB. Then dear, any speciality on that angle DAB? Yes, please check. Any speciality? Please look this picture. Yes, I think you know that. Yes, what speciality? Yes, that angle is DAB. Then that is DAB. Make correct? Then any speciality? Yes, that angle is the biggest angle in this picture. Do you understand? Yes, well done. Then say, my dear, so, if so, what is the measure of angle DAB? Say, try to say the answer of angle DAB. Then what's? Then how to get this angle DAB? How to get? Yes, this the first smaller angle CAB, and the second smaller angle DAC. The two angles join a new one, that is angle DAB. Make correct? If so, what is the measure? Yes, that is correct. That angle is 75 degree. Then dear, how to get that 75 degree? Say, yes, this first angle plus this second angle. So, angle DAB equal to 75 degree. Then that 75 degree we get. Then please check here. Angle DAB, angle GAB equal to angle CAB plus angle DAC. Make correct? Then what's the measure of angle CAB? Yes, that is 30 degree plus that is angle DAC equal to 45 degree. As dear, well done. 45 degree. So 30 degree plus 45 degree, that is equal to 75 degree. Yes, that is equal to 75 degree. Do you understand? Here first we drew a small angle 30 degree, then join an angle on the top. Then that two small angles join to make a new one. That is the big angle. That angle is angle DAB. Okay. Yes, dears. In what conclusion we came up here? Yes, this activity helps to find that in the measure of small angles having a common arm and the big angle formed by them is the sum of small angles. Okay. Now let's see some problems. Then dears, we can do the first one. Look here. How to find the measure of angle DAB? Then how to find angle DAB? Look here. Then how many angles is there? How to find angle DAB? Yes. Then angle DAB equal to, say dears, angle DAB equal to, yes, angle CAB plus angle DAC. Yes, that's correct. Then how to write angle DAB? Then look here, angle DAB equal to angle CAB. Angle CAB plus angle DAC. Angle DAC. Then say dears, what is the measure of angle CAB? What is the measure? Yes, then angle CAB equal to 60 degree. Yes, then angle CAB equal to 60 degree. Then what is the measure of angle DAC? Say dears, please try to say the answer. Yes, that is 40 degree. Yes, that is 40 degree. So, angle DAB equal to 60 degree plus 40 degree, that is equal to, yes, 100. Then that is equal to 100 degree. Then if so, angle DAB equal to 100. Do you understand? Yes. Then please note this in your notebook. Okay. Yes dears. Then you can do all other problems in the same way as the first one. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay. I hope you enjoy my class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.